Hi, everyone. Okay. Uh, yeah, we're going to be talking about Beyond Clicks and how Paytm Ads is helping create some lower funnel impact. So today is going to be all about bottom of the funnel, return on advertising spend, cost of acquisition, uh, everything to do with the final leg of conversion, and not impressions, not reach, and not click. So how do we sort of work on some properties and methodologies and solutions where we're able to create bottom funnel impact? My name is Anshul Batra. I lead marketing services, which comprises of ads, deals, and gift vouchers at Paytm. And I'm going to take you through this topic today. So very quickly, just understanding the Paytm ecosystem, right? So while some of you will know of Paytm as just a payments app, I think it's much beyond that. And to understand how we create bottom funnel impact, I think it's important to spend a minute here on what the entire ecosystem is, right? So there is payments available. You may have used the app to pay through UPI, for example. When you go on an online gateway, you may have used a Paytm payment gateway. It's a B2B backend solution, so you may not be aware, but we power a lot of payment gateway solutions. And then at an offline store where you're probably buying clothes or paying for a coffee, you may have used an EDC or a POS machine or a Paytm QR as well, right? So there is an entire ecosystem of offline, entire ecosystem of online, and then of course you can pay through the app as well. On the app, and why this is important, I'm going to come to that. There are tons of financial services that one could use. Someone wants a personal loan, you want to invest in some stocks, you want a co-branded, you want a credit card, etc. All of that network is available. And what I'm going to lead up to is how all of this information helps drive more data signals, more deterministic signals, more transactional signals across various different categories, right? And then of course the business that I'm representing, which is commerce and marketing services, we use the above two, right? All of the payment signals that happen and all of the financial services signals that happen, right? So how do we offer the best deals? How do we show the best relevant ads? And how do we drive conversion? That's the entire idea of bottom funnel conversion here. Okay, so large ecosystem, payments, financial services, marketing services. Quickly, just to sort of represent what a typical engaged Paytm user may be like, right? And how all of these signals are captured, right? You may be sort of going to a mall and paying for your cab ride. You may have used, a Paytm QR to pay the cab guy, right? While on the app, you may have paid your credit card bill, right? So Paytm then knows what kind of customer pays it, what frequency, what level of credit card bill, right? So you need a highly engaged premium user. This is the spend of credit card that is done, right? You may have ordered coffee, on a food delivery website. You may have used a Paytm PG. You may have used a QR or an EDC machine at a store, subscribed to an OTT paying from your UPI, bought a gift card on the app, maybe booked flight tickets as well, right? And maybe made some investments. So all of these signals are captured right for the 100 million odd consumers that are active users on the Paytm app, right? And that is what leads to this. So, about 110 million odd monthly active users. On top of that, there are about 40 plus million merchant partners, where once again, a huge source of data that is available. 12 billion plus quarterly transactions, right? And that leads to us deciding what this consumer is being, what kind of ad this consumer has relevance to, how do we then create bottom funnel impact, right? And then, at these stores, of course, at these partners, 11 million payment devices deployed as well, which are, of course, consumer journeys today are disconnected, right? There is an online journey, and then this consumer also transacts offline, right? So this entire ecosystem ties up and fills that gap. So you're not just tracking the consumer online, but you also have information on how that journey is being completed offline. So what does this mean? How does this help the bottom funnel, right? Because of this vast ecosystem, those hundreds and billions of transactions that happen, right? Today, a fintech app like us can tell with a certainty of potentially 95%, right? That who is a gift card seeker, who is a movie lover, right? Which customer spends time on shopping on beauty and wellness, right? Who is a high net worth individual, right? What is their credit card spend? How much fuel do they fill in their car, right? Because all of these transactions lead to us defining the cohorts for these 100 million active users on a monthly basis, right? So yeah, your spending behavior, your transaction frequency, your interest segments, your financial services data, of course, your basic demographics, right? So think of it as the signal that a content platform will have. Think of it as a signal that a commerce platform will have, and think of it as a signal that a payments platform will have. Combine all of that together, right? That is what is on offer to be able to convert to the lower funnel. So, okay, so we've understood now the strength of the ecosystem. We've understood what kind of signals are captured. We've understood how we cohort these consumers, right? Now, what does that mean in terms of monetization? Okay, so, of course, like I said, we're going to ignore the first box for now, because the first box is native ads. These are which are the impressions and the reach and the click. But today we're talking beyond clicks, right? So beyond clicks is going to be how do we offer deals? How do we offer gift vouchers? What are the third-party solutions? And how do we offer gamified ads? And I'm going to talk a bit about that. I have 3.5 minutes, so I'll try and be very quick. Okay, so yes, you can see what are the options on the strengthen brand recall, which is your top funnel, and then create purchase intent and improve brand consideration, the middle and the bottom funnel. Today we're going to be focusing on that. So focusing on the Paytm deals one, the gift vouchers one, and the middle funnel solutions of third-party solutions. So let me just skip to those slides now quickly. Okay. So on the top funnel, spending a quick minute here on the top funnel, yes, there are various properties, 30-odd million unique daily visitors, 100+ million daily impressions. But all of this, guys, once again, is just the click, right? Let's see what Beyond Click is, okay? So Beyond Click is this entire section of deals that we run, right? We have 30 million deal seekers on Paytm, right? With a 12% engagement rate. Now, what this offers is, so 3 things that our deals proposition does. Number 1, it strengthens brand recall, because the deal stays in your app beyond the click. It'll stay with you for a full month, right? So an advertiser can re-engage with the user using the same deal for the full month, right? That's number 1. Number 2, it takes you directly to the bottom of the funnel, right? And number 3 is discoverability is instant, right? Discoverability off the bottom of the funnel is instant, right? So let's see what these options are, right? And some of these are properties. I'm gonna talk to you how we engage with these properties. So it could be a scratch card, it could be a gamified version of a lucky wheel, it could be a jackpot that a brand is running with us, and it could be this entire catalog of hot deals that we have on the app, right? 30 million users use these deals on a monthly basis, and of course, hundreds of these brands work with us. So typically what will happen is that you transact on the app, you receive a scratch card, you discover this offer, you redeem this offer and you redirect it to the merchant platform. Your coupon code or your deal is instantly activated. You were looking for a D2C wellness brand, you were looking for a moisturizer, and you landed on the app, and it's 30%, 40% on offer, or there's a certain cashback that is instantly applied, right? So what this does is instant discovery to instant redemption, right? And then what is not important is the way this is delivered, but what is most important is who it is targeted to. So this is where this entire cohorting that we had talked about, those hundreds of deterministic and transactional signals that we talked that are captured daily basis for this 100 million audience, right? So we know who to show this deal to, so no impression is wasted. So we know who is a beauty shopper, so we know who is a food lover, right? So we know the affinity of this user, right? And that is why this is targeted to the user that we believe is the most likely to engage with this brand and most likely to convert. And thus, we deliver 100% on ROAS and CAC, right? I think gone are the days of CPM, gone are the days of CPC now. The days are of how much return on advertising spend the marketer can deliver. How much cost of acquisition for a new customer or re-engaging with a new customer, with an old customer is. And that is what our promise is to our advertisers today, right? On delivering just lower funnel impact. I have 20 seconds. So, and then we have this entire hot deal section where, Paytm has a currency called cashback points, which is not just used for buying deals, but it can also be used to convert to cash. It can also be used to buy a gift voucher as well, right? And, once again, just completely at the bottom of the funnel, very quickly running through this, the third solution is gift vouchers. Paytm is one of the largest sellers of gift vouchers as well. You're standing in a checkout line at a Marks and Spencer. and you open the app, and potentially you could buy your 10,000 shopping for 9,000 rupees, and everyone else will be paying the full price, right? Because there's a gift voucher available. All of these are hyper-local available, right? If you're an active user of the app, you walk into a mall, the nearest shopping gift voucher will be displayed on your app immediately. So that is the hyper-local impact we create for bottom funnel, right? So that is gift vouchers. Very quickly, while this is not bottom funnel, but this is beyond click, so I want to talk about this as well. We are now trying to bring in radio advertising back in fashion, but at the point of transaction. So what that means is that you're paying through the Paytm Soundbox, which you may have seen, a QR with a sound device, and certainly a jingle could play. And while I don't have time to maybe play this video for you, but a jingle will play, engaging you at the point of transaction, and advertisers are now using us for rural, for tier 2, for tier 3, for advertising of radio. I'm getting signals to end this now. 10 seconds, and we have a large audience network as well, which is used for your advertising solutions on third-party platforms like a YouTube, an OTT, Meta, etc., where you can use the power of this 100 million audience to target the right user. Okay? Okay, guys. There's gamification, but we're going to skip through that. So in summary, I think this entire ecosystem that a fintech app like ours has, which is payment services, which is marketing services, which is financial services, all of that combined to create billions of transactions, hundreds of deterministic signals, and us knowing our 100 million users like no one will do, and thus creating the impact on the bottom funnel. Thank you, guys. Thank you.